Hi, I'm Anna McPherson from McGrath Estate Agent.
And I'm Adam Cook, and welcome to our latest listing in Cooee Palms in Elma Street.
Situated in the suburb of Cooee Bay, this 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom unit is superbly located a stone's throw from your local coffee shops, bus stop, beach and swimming pool.
So guys, here we are at Unit 22.
Situated at the back of the complex, it's very private and you only have one adjoining wall with the neighbour.
Come on in and have a look.
You really will be pleasantly surprised with the space on offer in this unit. We have a large open plan lounge area, separate dining space, and a recently renovated corner kitchen with dishwasher and quality electric appliances.
So guys, there you have it, Unit 22 in Cooee Palms, Elma Street, Cooee Bay. If you're looking for low maintenance living with really low body corporate, please don't hesitate to call Anna or myself. Thanks for viewing, see you on the next one.